Join me as we dive into Ethereum, the game-changing blockchain platform that's shaking up the digital currency world. Developed by Vitalik Buterin, it's the second-largest crypto by market capitalization and enables developers to build decentralized apps with its own programming language. With endless possibilities, from decentralized finance, DeFi, to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, Ethereum is a must-know player in the world of cryptocurrencies. Ethereum was first proposed by a programmer named Vitalik Buterin in late 2013, when he was just 19 years old. Buterin had previously been involved with Bitcoin, but he saw limitations in the Bitcoin blockchain and wanted to create a more versatile platform for decentralized applications. In 2014, Buterin and a group of co-founders launched a crowdfunding campaign for Ethereum, raising over $18 million in Bitcoin. The Ethereum blockchain was officially launched in July 2015, and it quickly gained attention from developers and investors alike. One of the most significant innovations that Ethereum has brought to the world of blockchain technology is the concept of smart contracts. So, what are smart contracts exactly? Smart contracts are self-executing programs that can automatically enforce the terms of an agreement between two parties. They work by encoding the terms of the agreement into lines of code and then storing them on the Ethereum blockchain. Once the conditions of the contract are met, the contract executes automatically, without any need for intermediaries or manual intervention. They are based on an if-then logic. If event A occurs, action B is executed. The beauty of smart contracts is that they enable the creation of decentralized applications, or dApps. These dApps can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as peer-to-peer lending, crowdfunding, or even creating virtual marketplaces. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are applications that operate on a decentralized network. Ethereum was the first blockchain that enables the creation of dApps, providing developers with a platform to build and deploy smart contracts. dApps have a number of benefits over traditional centralized applications. Firstly, they are resistant to censorship and control as they operate on a decentralized network. This means that no single entity can modify or shut down the application. Secondly, they are more secure as the data is stored on a distributed ledger, making it difficult for hackers to manipulate or corrupt the data. Lastly, they can provide greater transparency as all transactions and data are publicly visible on the blockchain. The creation of dApps has opened up new possibilities for a wide range of industries, from finance and insurance to gaming and social media. For example, one of the most popular dApps is Uniswap, an open-source decentralized exchange for trading and providing liquidity for Ethereum-based tokens. Another example is OpenSea, a decentralized NFT marketplace that is the most popular one by trading volume. Ether is the digital currency that plays a central role in the Ethereum ecosystem. It is used as a means of payment for transaction fees and also as a form of value exchange for other assets and services built on the Ethereum platform. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily used as a store of value and a means of exchange, Ether has a broader range of use cases. It is the native currency of the Ethereum blockchain and is used to power decentralized applications and smart contracts. One of the key benefits of Ether is its ability to facilitate secure and efficient transactions on the Ethereum network. When a transaction is processed, a small amount of Ether is required to pay for the computational resources used to process the transaction. This helps to prevent network spam and ensures that the network can operate smoothly and efficiently. Despite the fact that Ethereum 2 was officially renamed to the consensus layer, we will still refer to it as Ethereum 2 as it remains the name that most people are familiar with. Ethereum 2 has been successfully launched, bringing with it a host of upgrades and improvements to the Ethereum network. One of the most significant changes is the move from proof of work to proof of stake, which has increased the efficiency of the network. Proof of stake is a consensus algorithm that selects validators based on the amount of Ether they hold and are willing to stake. Validators with more staked Ether are more likely to validate the next block of transactions and earn more rewards. This incentivizes validators to act in the network's best interest, as any malicious behavior could result in their staked Ether being slashed. While proof of stake has benefits such as reducing energy consumption and increasing transaction speeds, it also has the potential to lead to centralization, as it requires a significant amount of Ether to participate in block validation. This could result in those with large amounts of Ether having a greater influence on the network, making it more centralized. Ethereum is being used today for various purposes, including decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and supply chain management. Ethereum is enabling people to access financial services in a decentralized way, such as lending, borrowing, and trading. NFTs, on the other hand, are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replicated, allowing creators to sell their art or other digital assets as one-of-a-kind items. Ethereum's smart contracts enable the creation and management of these NFTs. NFTs can also tokenize real-world assets, making it easier to transfer ownership and even enable fractional ownership for wider investment opportunities. Additionally, Ethereum's blockchain technology can be used to track and verify the origin and authenticity of products in supply chain management, providing transparency and accountability. These are just a few examples of how Ethereum is being used today, and its potential use cases are constantly expanding. Ethereum's potential goes beyond what has been achieved. Interoperability is important for blockchain technology, and Ethereum is working on solutions to enable it. The future of Ethereum is bright, with potential applications in various industries and ongoing technical improvements. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of Ethereum. We've covered a lot of ground, from its beginnings as a groundbreaking blockchain platform to its current state as a powerhouse for decentralized applications and innovative use cases like DeFi, NFTs, and supply chain management. But perhaps most excitingly, we've explored the potential that Ethereum holds for the future of the entire blockchain industry, as it continues to lead the way in revolutionizing the way we think about money, trust, and ownership. We're thrilled to have ignited your curiosity about Ethereum and all that it has to offer. But don't stop there. Keep on exploring this groundbreaking technology and all its exciting potential. And if you're eager to take a deeper dive, we've got you covered with an in-depth video on Ethereum. So don't hesitate. Check it out and keep the exploration going.